When we're talking about with being responsible, being powerful, how many times have you caught yourself saying things like automatically that we don't even realize? Like we talked about automatic patterns. So for those of you that just came in, so what we did, I'm going to try a little example with you, okay? And nobody else answer because I want to see their response. So if I say up, you say down. If I say left, you say right. If I say stop, you say go. Good. You all have oppositional defiance disorder, just like everybody else. Tremendous. It's called being human, okay? And then you see, you just did it, and you realize it, and then you see other people. Everyone's stuck in patterns. 90 to 95% of our day is automatic. You don't even realize. How many times have you driven, and then all of a sudden you're like 10 miles down the road, 3 exits up, you're like, what the hell just happened? And your body just goes automatic. So just consider that we are automatic creatures. Automatic creatures with patterns. We like to be comfortable. We don't like to be uncomfortable. But the uncomfortableness is where happiness is. Discomfort comes in when you try something new that you've never tried before. And what's interesting, we're going to talk about the voice in our head that sometimes gets in our way. Do you know what I mean by? Yeah, that voice right there. The one that's always talking to you, criticizing you, judging you. How many of you have at least 1 pound of weight that your voice tells you you have to lose? Raise your hand. Does the voice ever tell you, you look great today? It does? Good for you. This guy. Well, because you're a man, so it's good for you.